Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn how the way we can speed up our video on a CapCut without changing the page. So you just need to open the CapCut application and then you just need to import the project that you have here. But if you already have it, you just need to open it. Here I already have the project and here is the original sound or audio before we increasing the speed. Hello everyone, welcome again. Now let's just try to increase the speed. You just need to go click the project and then we'll click speed here, and you just need to go click normal speed, and then you just need to increase it into the specific speed that you want to have. So this is whenever you increase it, and this is the result. The sound will be sounds like that, but if we want to keep the original one, you just need to checklist this button, and then this is the result. So you just need to click done, and the process is just perfectly done and finished. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again in two other tutorials.